Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the read receipts option on WhatsApp so that others cannot see when you have read their message. This feature enhances privacy by preventing other users from seeing the blue check marks that indicate a message has been read. Also, keep in mind that when you turn off this option, you will no longer be able to see when others have read your messages. In this video, I will guide you through simple steps to disable read receipts and customize WhatsApp to your needs. Stay with me until the end. First, open your WhatsApp app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen and select Settings. Once you open the settings, tap on the Privacy option. Then, find and tap on Read Receipts. Turn off this option so that the switch turns gray. That's it. Now your contacts won't be able to see when you've read their messages, and you will have greater privacy on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.